Hi everyone, it's Miss Berg again. In class we watched a video of two students who get on different Ferris wheels and then they want to figure out at what time or how long will it be before they both get at the bottom again. Because they travel at different times. So to figure that out, we can find the least common multiple of 12 and 8, because we're going to be counting the number of times they go around, so each time it would be 12 seconds over and over and over again. So that's repeated addition, which is just multiplication. And then the same thing with 8. 8 over and over and over again is repeated addition, which is multiplication. Get those out of the way. So we need to see what the multiples of 12 and 8 are. So I'm going to start by listing my multiples of 8. 8 plus 8 more is 16. 8 more is 24. And I'm actually going to stop there because 24 looks familiar to me. I know that 12 times 2 is 24. So I had that hint that, oh hey, I can just move on to 12 since I recognized a multiple of 12 in with the multiple of 8s. So then what I like to do to make myself happy is I see 24 and 24 is the smallest multiple that they have in common. So there's this creature called the shmoo that has a flower for a tail and 2 little eyes and whiskers. And the shmoo loves least common multiples. So to show that you have ended the problem, you may draw a shmoo to show what the least common multiple is. Let's do another example. Hey, let's say we wanted to find the least common multiple of, let's do 16 and 20. So you're going to start by listing the multiples of 16. 16, 10 plus 10 is 20, 6 plus 6 is 12, so that'll be 32. You can always add off to the side if you can't add in your head. So 32 plus another 16, remember we're adding 16 each time, is 48. And then 48 plus 16 is 14, 64. And then 64 plus 16, well 64 plus 6 would be 70, plus 10 more is 80. And I'm going to stop there because this multiple looks familiar to me. Then my multiples of 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, that's why it looked familiar. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to draw my shmoo again. This one has a super stretched out body, and that is okay because they are meant to have stretched out bodies. And so 80 is the least common multiple of 16 and 20.